Organizing Sheets. In this workbook, we can see that we have 3 sheets. Each sheet is named Sheet 1, 2, and 3. In order to rename a sheet, we have to double-click on the sheet name. By double-clicking, it will highlight the name of the sheet, and we can overwrite by directly typing in there. Now I have renamed it to Student 1, and pressing the Enter key, it will change the name. We should not use any special characters in naming. Space is allowed, but stick to numbers and characters. We can reorganize the sheets by simply clicking on the sheet and dragging them to the location that you desire. So, for example, Student 1 and Student 2 can be moved as shown. Simply go to the name, click and hold down your mouse and move the sheet. You notice there is a plus button right next to the names of the sheets. Every time you click on this plus, it will add a new sheet right next to the active sheet to the right side of the active sheet. If I click on Student 3 and hit plus, it adds Sheet 6 towards the right. To delete a sheet, you simply right-click on the sheet name and select the delete. You can rename the sheets using the right-click as well, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments. Share these tutorials with your friends. See you in the next video.